friends, I'm Melanie from MelanieCooks.com, and today I'll be making pepperoni cream cheese bites in the air fryer. So for this easy appetizers, all you just need 2 ingredients, a pepperoni and cream cheese. So I'm going to take out the air fryer basket. So what I'll be doing is, I'll be taking pepperoni slices and spraying them with cream cheese and topping with another pepperoni slice. So put cream cheese on top of pepperoni slice and top with another pepperoni. Just make sure that they're stuck together and put in the air fryer basket and repeat until you have a layer of pepperoni bites. So now we have a single layer of pepperoni bites in the air fryer basket. So now I'm going to put the air fryer basket in the air fryer. And now I'm going to set the temperature to 400 degrees Fahrenheit. And I'm going to set the time to 4 minutes. Now the air fryer is done cooking. So let's take a look. Look at that, looks amazing. Perfectly cooked pepperoni with melted cream cheese that's browned, looks amazing. Now sometimes they tend to fly around the air fryer, so if you see how some pepperoni slices are off the cheese, just put them back and glue them back on top of the cheese and reassemble them. So they just look amazing. I'm going to take them out of the air fryer. Perfect. These pepperoni cream cheese bites are keto and low carb. So if you're looking for a keto low carb appetizer that's so easy to make, this is it. Just 2 ingredients and so quick and easy to make in the air fryer. Now let's try it. These look amazing. Yummy. It tastes as good as it looks. You're going to love it. If you love cheese and pepperoni, this is awesome. For a free printable recipe and other easy recipes, please visit my website, MelanieCooks.com. And don't forget to subscribe to my channel, Melanie Cooks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Enjoy!